Hi friends, welcome back to another TechSolve video tutorial. Do you want to delete files on your Google Drive? Today we'll learn how to delete files in Google Drive. It's pretty easy and quick. So let's start. Open up your Google Drive on your web browser. The first way to delete a file is to locate the file you want to delete. Then you place your mouse on the file and click the three dots beside the file. Then you click on the Move to Trash option. Now your file has been moved to trash or deleted. The second way is to click on the file you want to delete. Then at the top of the screen, you click on the Delete Trash Can icon, and your file has been deleted or moved to trash. But note that this does not completely delete your file. To completely or permanently delete your files on Google Drive, you click on the trash option at the left side of the screen. Now, here are all your deleted files, and this is the one we just deleted now. So, to delete the file, you click on the three dots beside the file and you click delete forever. Or you click on the empty trash button here to delete or permanently delete all your trash files. So guys, that is how you delete files on Google Drive. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more video tips. Bye.